What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brandon, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing a 𝗟𝗡𝗏 minimalist wallet. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so this wallet I found on Amazon and it just came in the mail today. It's let's see, it's by Hawanki store. So this is a slim minimalist front pocket wallet with built-in case holder for your AirTag. So you can put an AirTag right in the front and it will track wherever the wallet is. Everybody knows what AirTag is, everybody knows what it does. So it's got 4.5 stars on Amazon, about 3,500 reviews on it, so it's pretty good. Comes in a bunch of different colors. I see black, I see baby blue / teal looking, there's a brown leather, a navy blue, a different type of navy blue. I mean, they got a bunch of different, there's tan, there's pink, there's red, a bunch of different colors. Now if you do want a certain color, they all come in various prices, between $12.99 and let's say $18.99 it's showing on here. But for the one that I picked up was the black, which is $12.99, the cheapest one that they got on here. So let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so I pulled it out of the box and this is the package that comes in, nothing crazy. Okay, and I will make sure to leave a link in the description for you guys, so if you are in the market for a new wallet, you can go ahead and pick one up for yourself. But here is the box it comes in, like this. It's got the name of the company right on the front. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy. Okay, let's open it up. And then there's the wallet. They even have their logo on the paper as well, which is nice to see because they're not like every other drop shipping company on Amazon. They're doing something a little bit different. So we'll put that down for now. Here's the box. Comes with a little card. Now it looks like it's just showing you how to snap in the AirTag pretty much, which is nice because some people don't know how to do all that. Here's the front. You open it up like this. There's a little sticker there. I'm not gonna bother trying to save any of that. And then, super simple, here is the wallet. Very minimalist. Look at how thin this is. Okay. Alright, so right there in the front, as you can see, is where your AirTag sits. There's a little buckle here. You pop that open, the AirTag goes in. You got, let's see, 1, 2, 3 slots for different cards there. There's another slot here. And then you got yourself the ID slot, of course. You've got to have the ID slot here. And then on the side here, here's another slot. Okay. Real nice quality for $12.99. Are you kidding me? Leather wallet, real thin, AirTag holder. Are you kidding me? This is awesome. So now you got it nice and slim. You don't have a gazillion cards and junk piled up in your wallet, in your back pocket, bothering you, you know, making it real uncomfortable. You're driving around, you're kind of lopsided because, you know, one of your cheeks is uneven because you got this thick wallet. No, now it's nice and thin. You're not gonna lose it because you got your AirTag attached to it. You can't ask for anything more for $12.99. Now, like I said before, I'll leave a link for it down in the description below for you guys. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.